This is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to put an announcement banner on your Google Sites site. This works in Chromebook, it works in Windows, it works in Mac. It's basically using the Chrome browser, so it's pretty easy to do. Quick disclaimer, what you see here may look a little bit different as Google updates its software, and you are responsible for following the terms of Google as well as any local rules and regulations that might apply to you. So let's get started here, and here's the situation. Let's say that I'm an educator and I created this Google Sites that has some classroom resources on it. And one of them is this video for Scratch programming. And I also want to put a big banner on top of this, letting people know, hey, there's a quiz coming on Friday. Don't forget to study. And you know the story, like no matter how many times you tell people in person, they forget about it or they confuse what's going on. So you want to make it crystal clear that there is this test here. And you know, some people might think, oh, I can just change the banner from video to, hey, remember, don't forget there's a quiz this Friday. But there's actually a better way to do it, and that's by adding a separate piece of banner text. And this is how to do it. So this is my Google Drive for the user who is using the Sites account. And basically, to get started, you just type Sites into the search window, and then recent options should pop up. This is the one we're talking about. And this is a new feature in Google Sites, by the way. This was launched in the past year or two, and I was playing around with it before. So to add the banner, go to the Settings icon, click on it, and then you'll see on the list here, Announcement Banner. Okay? This banner is displayed above your site content. So I'm going to put the banner, don't forget the quiz this Friday, October 13th. Bad luck day, okay? You can make the colors stand out. I always like to do that if I really want to make sure people see it. And then keep on scrolling. There's some more options here. So one thing you can do is you can actually have a link to the quiz. And let's say this link to study guide. All right. And then you can put a link here. And let's just say I'm gonna put it into the downloads. It's gonna go straight to the downloads. If you wanted to, you could paste a real URL in there. You can also open it in a new tab. And maybe put it on all pages or just the home page. Okay, that's good. So here it is. Here's the draft version. And then be sure to click publish. And Google has a new rigmarole for how this works. They'll show you two versions. One is the old version, the currently published homepage, and this is the new version, the draft homepage, which you haven't published yet. This is what it looks like. Let's click publish. All right, there it is. Now to see what this page looks like in real life, hover over the link icon, click it, copy the link, and then I'm going to another browser where I'm not logged in. This is the page I showed you before. So this is what it looked like before. Let's just reload the page. And there's the big honking banner, link to the study guide. So if you click that, it takes you to the downloads page, and then you could have the PDF there, or you could create a new page for it. One thing you should remember when you're doing something like this, if you create like a time-sensitive banner like this, be sure, like after it's over, to remove the banner or update it so people aren't seeing it anymore. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, Sites, Drawings, I've covered it all in this book, the basics, and then on my YouTube video channel, there's many more videos you can watch which shows you how to do specific things. If you have a chance, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video, if this helped you out, and also let other people know about it. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.